Today guys, isi-share ko sa inyo ang aking full experience for 60 days using the Huawei Matebook D16 2024 edition. And I've been using this laptop almost every day doing all of my tasks. And isi-share ko sa inyo ang aking honest experience using this laptop for the past 2 months. Tara, simulan natin after this quick intro. Now, first things first, itong laptop na ito is very powerful. It has a Intel Core i9 na processor inside with 16 gigs of RAM and a 1 terabyte of storage. And ang kanyang graphics, it's being powered by the Intel Iris Xe, which is for me ample enough for everyday usage. Ako, personally, gamit ko ang D16 2023 in the past. And this one has the exact chassis ng 2023 edition except that medyo mas powerful na siya this time around. Now, one of the criteria na hinahanap ko sa isang laptop is very easy to carry around. Lightweight, manipis, and yung madali may tago. And itong Huawei Matebook D16 is just weighing at around 1.6 kg and ang kanyang kapal is just around 70mm ang kanyang thickness. And the one that's contributing sa gaan nitong laptop na ito is ang kanyang aluminum metal na chassis. And bit-bit ko tong laptop na ito wherever I go. Kasi whenever I need it, lalabas ko lang sa aking backpack and I'll start working. As a content creator, as a father, I should be ready all of the time. As a content creator, I can edit on the fly using Photoshop, using Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve. Kayang-kaya nitong laptop na ito. It's very powerful. I would say na rendering and exporting time takes lesser than yung aking D16 na 2023 edition na may Core i7. Personally, for me, every minute na masasave ko, it counts. And as a father naman, itong laptop na ito is always ready. Anytime na kailangan ng anak ko to do their homework, to do some online schooling, pinapahiram ko tong laptop ko. Huwag lang nila sirain. Personally, very useful ang USB Type-C na charging port nitong laptop na ito. I can charge anytime, anywhere. As long as meron akong C2C cable and a charging brick na 65 watts, pwede na i-charge tong Huawei Matebook D16 ko. And in the absence of a electrical outlet, no problem. Kasi itong laptop na ito can charge using any power bank na may PD 3.0 na support. And personally, gamit ko yung 145 watts na 20,000 mAh na power bank ni Ugreen. Quite lightweight and packs a lot of juice. Kaya niya i-power up tong laptop ko for 2 days. Now, on everyday usage, one of the things na sobrang na-appreciate ko din dito sa kanya is malaki ang kanyang screen. This laptop has the size of a 15-incher na laptop, pero meron siyang 16-incher na screen. Ang kanyang aspect ratio is 16:10. It's called the golden aspect ratio. Manipis ang kanyang bezel which gives you a 90% na screen-to-body ratio. Meron din siyang 100% na sRGB na color gamut which is perfect for photo editing. And another thing na sobrang na-appreciate ko dito sa kanya is wala siyang masyadong glare dito dahil meron siyang anti-glare technology dito sa kanyang screen. Which ma-appreciate mo talaga. Lalo ako tinapat ko dito sa ilaw, oh. Tinan mo, halos walang glare. Kung nanonood ako mga videos dito together with my whole family and the barkada, okay na okay siya kasi the screen is big enough, the color is good and accurate, ma-enjoy mo talaga siya together with the whole family. Now, during the course of the last 60 days, nag-try din ako maglaro ng a few games dito sa laptop na ito. And playing some titles like the Cyberpunk 2077 and Forza Horizon 5, medyo mafe-feel mo ang lag dito kasi this is not a gaming laptop. But kung ang trip mo is maglaro ng mga games like Apex Legends, kaya-kaya naman ito laptop na ito. Now, one of the things na nagustuhan ng anak ko dito is quite loud ang kanyang speaker dito. Kasi pag nag-online class sila sa kanyang iPad, medyo mahina ang sound. But pag gamit itong D16 2024 ko, rinig na rinig niya ang lahat ng sinasabi ng kanyang teacher. And take note, naka 60% pala ang volume. What more kung sinagad niya to sa 100%? Baka nabingi na siya. Now, another feature that I use a lot dito sa laptop na ito is ang kanyang super hub. Now, pag nagkoconnect ako ng phone ko from the P60 Pro papunta dito sa Huawei Matebook D16 2024, it's a breeze kasi transferring photos to and from the laptop and from the phone, sobrang seamless ng kanyang connection. What's nice is pwede mo rin gamitin yung phone camera as an alternative na camera para sa inyong live streaming or your conferencing. And nung gamit ng anak ko itong laptop na ito, I would say sulit na sulit ang super hubs kanya kasi pag magka-copy lang siya ng mga pictures, ng mga text, ang kailangan lang na gawin is i-drag lang na sa super hub, then pag kailangan mo lang is i-drag in mo lang sa Word document or sa PowerPoint. Ganon kasimple lang gamitin ang super hub. Now, one fun fact about tong laptop na ito is sobrang lakas ng kanyang Wi-Fi. Dahil this one is packed together with a Metaline na antenna, well, it's a patented na technology ni Huawei, it gives you a stronger reception ng Wi-Fi. Paano ko nasabi yun? One time nag-visit ako sa isang friend ko na ang kanyang router nasa ground floor. And nandun kami sa third floor, we're trying to work on something using my laptop. Ang phone ko halos hirap na mag-browse. Pero itong Huawei Matebook na D16 was still able to browse and was still able to download a file at a pretty decent speed. So imagine mo na lang kung gaano kaganda ang Wi-Fi technology nito laptop na ito. Ngayon ko lang na fully appreciate yung Metaline antenna technology nito laptop na ito. Now, ito laptop na ito has a 70 watt-hours na battery. Kine-claim ni Huawei na this one is a long-lasting na battery. Probably if you're an average user, mafe-feel mo na okay, maganda ang kanyang battery. If you're doing mga document spreadsheet and just browsing on Chrome, maybe mafe-feel mo talaga yung long-lasting battery nito laptop na ito. But personally speaking, based on my experience, I could hardly feel that. Kasi I'm a power user that's always on the fly. Kasi pag nakabukas ng laptop na ito, sa akin, either nakabukas ng video editing tool, photo editing tool, games, mga video converter. Kung hindi naman nag-uploading, nagda-downloading din ako. So medyo stress itong laptop sa akin. Normally, itong laptop na to would last half a day or sometimes even less. Lalo na kung nag-export or nag-rendering ako dito, matakaw siya sa battery. Good thing na lang ang 65 watts na charging brick na itong laptop na ito, which comes together with the bundle, charge this laptop for just 1.5 hours. Medyo na-compensate naman. Now, since na-share ko na sa inyo buong experience ko dito sa laptop ito for 60 days, ano masasabi ko on a summary? Personally for me, ang Matebook D16 2024 is definitely a workhorse. Kasi I'm able to do all of my works dito, walang problema. Halos di ko na kailangan ng desktop PC just to do all of those heavy tasks. And best of all, sobra siyang lightweight, kahit saan ko dalhin, wala akong problema. It gives me that extra flexibility while on the go. Probably medyo bitin lang sa kanyang battery life kasi power user ako, but it's easily compensated using kanyang charger or just bring a power bank na kaya mag-supply sa kanya. Overall, ang Matebook D16 is a complete package for me. I highly recommend this laptop sa mga content creator like me, mga tatay like me, and mga students and entrepreneur. This is definitely something that you should invest on. Kasi I'm not the type of person that's willing to wait yung mga loading, and loading. Gusto ko personally, snap, load agad. And kayang-kayang ibigay sa akin ng Matebook D16 ang gusto ko. So guys, if you're interested to check out itong Matebook D16, I'll be posting the link on the description box below. And if you like this video, don't forget to share it to your friends. And a subscription to this channel would definitely be appreciated. I'll see you in my next video. And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.